So good morning, Tangla. We got up and came down to the hotel to the lobby, and this is my partner in crime, and both of us want both of us want coffee. We want fucking breakfast. Not a soul in the hotel. Everybody's gone, and we actually locked. We actually locked. There's no one in the staff room, in the staff kitchen, in the fucking kitchen. This is the reception with a shutter up down, and we are locked. What the fuck is everybody? I want my fucking coffee. We've escaped from the hotel.
There, man, staff room on top.
Where?
On top.
No, they're on the first floor.
Yeah, look there. Hello, जी.
अरे breakfast चाहिए? Breakfast चाहिए?
ए सामने वाले दरवाजा खोल रहे.
So we fucked again.
Don't go there, it's closed.
Got
Don't take go right.
up in the morning, went with the clutch plates and the gasket to the hero shop, and it's closed. Turns out everything is closed. There's some problem here. Shops, jeeps are going around the place. For 2 days there's a shutdown. All shops are closed. So now we're basically fucked. There's no... So we've come to a place where the tool is most probably there, but the person who has the tool, the shop is closed. So these are the tools most probably which are used to remove the crank nut and the clutch nut. We found them at this local guy who's open in spite of the strike. So we're going to check and see if this is going to work now. He's kept the shop closed because obviously some violence like erupts, then he can run away. But we are going to work by the side of the road, and he's going to try and solve the problem. So the problem is now, since this is a roadside job, everybody's crowding to see what the fuss is all about, and I hope that doesn't cause a problem because there's a shutdown. All the shops are closed, and some group has issued a warning or something that way to the people here to keep closed. Let's just hope that he wraps this up soon and we get out of this place.
काढून नाही कवर पहिले टूल फिट चालल्या तो उलाईल म्हणून टूल फिट जापा लागे किती वेळ फ्राय झाला तो
Clutch plates fry, beja fry. So the tool fits. Yeah, the tool fits. Hallelujah.
लॉक लागतात ये लॉक केले so it doesn't move.
I think he's more equipped in the Hero dealership.
पकड़ो, हाथ से पकड़ो.
हाथ से नहीं होगा.
ये कामं पडतात ना लॉक बघितलं हां
So guy keeps going into his shop every now and then. So he's keeping it closed.
पकडले हां नशिबा
This is the clutch now. I think this should be right now. If not, I'm going to bang my head in the wall. This is the other tool which is required.
पुरा हेलियो बाहेर
मार एक टायराचे ना लगभग.
Chain to pass around. One more day of riding is still left.
बाइक गेम 2020.
So the new plates are in.
मागा वणी हे उन्ना का ते उन्ना का यामा.
बरोबर ना
These are poppers. fried clutch plates. Completely fried and scarred and scored. I still don't know how this happened. I didn't ride the clutch. I've entrusted Altaf Bhai with the job of investigating when we get back to Goa. I just want to get back to Goa now. Excellent. I'm so relieved. Finally got the clutch plates changed at a roadside mechanic. He had all the tools that were required. He was very meticulous in his job. Amazing guy. He just looked at the engine, he walked inside his shop, came out with a bunch of tools. And he just went in once, twice more to get something small. Otherwise he knew exactly what he had to do. And he did it very nicely. So we changed the clutch plates, we lubed, we greased the chain, and also I had him change the main jet of the carburetor to the 132, which I use for sea level on this engine. So we all set. Now the only thing left is to weld back the side stand which broke during the transportation of the bike last night. We will ride today. We will hopefully hit Siliguri. It's a long stretch because it's 11:30 in the morning. It's almost afternoon now, and we need to travel a long distance. Thumbs up. Yes, this is Tangla in Assam. Over and out. Good morning. We are, fuck knows, I don't even know where this place is. Yesterday we were supposed to ride to Siliguri, but then we left late. We left Tangla late at noon or so, and we couldn't make it. So I mean, we stopped for dinner somewhere on the highway, and we said it's too unsafe to ride because we're all exhausted. It's been 13-14 days of continuous riding, no rest day at all. So we said let's stop and sleep somewhere, and we came across this lovely resort in the middle of nowhere. There, that side is a jungle, it's a forest. And when we came last night, there were wild elephants there. We couldn't see them, but the guard was saying that we scared them with the bike noises. So as you can see, my face is all puffed up and fried. It's another 150 kilometers or 200 kilometers to Siliguri. And the place is called Ma Greenery View. I don't even know where we are. We are in Sikhai Jora, Uttar Panailguri, Alipurdwar. Whatever. So these are knobbies which have turned into wedges. You see? This is what the Northeast has done to the V-rubber tires. But total paisa also. And this is the rear tire. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. This can be used for trails and Goa. This is Altaf's tire. He had used it for the raid, I believe. It's totally finished. It's done. It's done and dusted. This is called bed tea. Bike tea.
Breakfast on bike. In
So we are at the Coronation Bridge. Denzel, me and Irfan. There seems to be a big traffic jam on the other side. But I guess bikes can go through. So let's see.